All right, we got a problem. Pulled into the rest area last night after dark, went to bed. This morning, this is right at the head of our bed here. Opened up this window to see if it was daylight or if it was just the lot lights in the rest area. And I slid open the window, and my first thought is, what is that? Frost or ice on the window? And I realized, no, our window is broken. So sometime on the road yesterday, we picked up a stone and it completely shattered this. Now, I didn't know this, but this has 2 layers of glass, and it looks like only the outer layer is shattered. But you can see this line along the bottom. It was raining hard. Can you see that? That's water in there, in between the panes. Yeah. So, yeah. Let's see what we do about that. You can barely tell. I mean, you know to look for it. Yeah, you can see that thing is all shattered out here. Holy cow. It's ready to cut loose too. Huh. I don't know what we're gonna do about that out here in the long ways from home. Yes. I do have a roll of duct tape. But you can sure feel the broken chips wanting to come out of there.
Well, we know we've been driving with it that way for quite a while.
Well, the rain quit at Bismarck, so it had to have been broken while we were before Bismarck, somewhere between Glendive and Bismarck. Well, I can feel all the chips snagging this.
Can you?
Yeah, it's starting to lose its shape and wanting to fall.
There's water right here.
That's inside. Oh.
It's coming out then.
Is it?
Coming out that crack if you wipe it. Oh, yeah, right there. Right.
Yeah, it's seeping out through the crack.
Is that good to get it dry now? Well, don't put a lot of pressure on it.
No, I'm not putting any.
Applying the tape.
All right, hand me that roll of tape. But just soon it come out. I wish the water would all come out of there. That thing cuts loose. I don't want it all that water going inside. There it is.
There.
Yeah. Yeah, we're not going to mess with cutting it. We'll just tear it.
Okay. Yeah,
Maybe,
can you
yeah.
do it without putting pressure on it?
A little further down.
Down here?
More pressure on it. Now, doesn't that look lovely?
Yeah, I don't care what looks to other people.
Guess not. Save the day right there. Never leave home without a roll of duct tape. All right, second mishap of the trip. Figured with getting that tire fixed and new tires on there, maybe we'd be done with that kind of stuff, but guess not. Well, we're one day from home. I don't know, 12-hour drive today. Maybe between 10 and 12 hours, depending on construction sites. But hopefully this will hold this together, because the whole thing is just completely shattered and it's ready to just fall. And I mean, even wind or a bird or one more stone and the whole thing will just come down, and then we just have whatever that layer of glass on the inside is. I don't know if that's also tempered, but I'd rather have something else to hold that together. All right, head for home and see if it holds. Yeah. Duct tape's holding it together pretty good. That'd be one way to protect it on trips after we get it replaced. Just cover it with duct tape every time we go somewhere. Hopefully it'll hold together until we get it home. It's all part of the adventure. Right? All right, we're back at the PFO homestead. And get up here. And this duct tape job held up for the 682 miles we had left to go between that rest area where we spent the night and home. And you can see where the water that was in between the layers continued to seep out. And we picked up a few bug guts during the night, but it held together. I don't know if you can see here. You can see where that glass is sagging up through here. Is this angle any better? Yeah, you can see this bend right there, and then up there that developed while we were driving, and that indicates to me that that glass is moving and would have probably fallen out in a pile of little shards if we hadn't duct taped this. So got us home, and now the next step will be to get to one of the local RV service centers and see what it's going to take to fix this. I'll do a follow-up on this. Renee did some Googling while we were driving, and it looks like it's going to cost us about $1,000 to get this fixed. There's some options of some protective films that you can put over them to help delay the next $1,000 stone chip. I might look into some of those options, but anyway, we're home for now. So that was a successful roadside fix. I'm sure glad I had the roll of duct tape. So go ahead and subscribe and watch for a follow-up video. When I get this thing fixed, I'll let you know what it took, what it cost, and all that. Thanks for watching. PFO channel out.